Most of what you think about money has been influenced by your upbringing and environment. Truth is, they have a better equation than you. The market has a high demand for football, but even so, we just discussed how getting a job isn't the right equation to amassing a great amount of wealth in a shorter period of time. So then how can we increase our perceived value? Okay, so do not get lost on this point. And there it is, your equation to wealth. Of course, I missed out on a lot of intricacies in this video, the topics of. But if you do want to get started on this journey, I do recommend you read an original point that I made at the start of this, which is that most people will not succeed for various reasons. Things take quite a few sleepless nights to research, script, film and edit, so you can't imagine how much I really do appreciate your support. If you genuinely enjoyed this video, then don't be shy, hit the like button, and if you disliked it, hit the dislike button twice just to be sure, and comment down below and let me know why. My goal with this channel has been to create entertaining documentary style videos on business, finance and life in general, and if that sounds like something you'd be interested in and you'd want to tune in for more, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Make sure all your notifications are turned on. But with all of that being said, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. As per usual, my friends, hand to head, salute.